Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Thinkorswim chart. First, navigate to the Charts tab and open a new chart window. Then, input the symbol for the asset you wish to analyze, like a specific stock or future. Next, select your preferred chart type from the display options, such as candlesticks or bars, to visualize price action effectively. This initial setup is crucial for your trading analysis. Now, let's personalize your chart's appearance. You can easily adjust the time frame and aggregation period to view data from 1 minute to several days. Next, customize the colors of your candles, background, and grid lines for better visual clarity. Don't forget to enable or disable features like volume bars and extended hours data to tailor the chart to your specific analytical needs. These adjustments enhance readability. Moving on, let's enhance your chart with powerful technical indicators. Navigate to the Studies menu to add popular tools like moving averages or Bollinger Bands. Once added, you can configure each indicator's parameters, such as its length or offset, for precise analysis. Applying multiple studies helps you identify trends, momentum, and potential trading signals more effectively. This step is key for deeper market insights. Finally, let's talk about saving your hard work and some pro tips. After customizing your chart, save it as a style or an entire workspace for quick access later. You can create multiple layouts, each tailored for different trading strategies or asset classes, saving you valuable time. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Regularly review and update your saved layouts to adapt to changing market conditions and improve your analysis over time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.